was Mazi Nnamdi Kanu arrested, and somebody wrote something very, very sensible at the comment section. Also, why DOS saying one media outlets? DOS kwesịrị inwe their page na Facebook, na Instagram, na YouTube, na men broadcasting now. DOS or just so ndị nọ na back door. They are not doing anything. You tell yourself the truth. Ọ na-abụ ife mee asiko ife ge onye ga-emenwe ife a. Ọ na-abụ nsogbu dị n'obodo eje chọba ụmụ okorobịa si ike. The only person, the most qualified person to broadcast in the absence of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa might someone this no nwere ego. Onwe ndị si na o mere nke a. Onwe ndị si na ọ na-ekwu ife asị ekwu na. You call him to order. Why you call him to order? And then tell him to continue is because you cannot do it. Oh, Flavor Confino Snake Olueke. Ne mambe we fine eme. Mwa bokulo ra mambe we fe Simon Ekpa neme. Simon Ekpa is more intelligent than I am. If I benje na drag position with Simon Ekpa, mana mama neme. Even though I can do, I can try, I can compete. But Simon Ekpa is way better. Sometimes you tell yourself the truth. The same way Mazi Simon Ekpa cannot compete with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in terms of broadcast in Nigeria. But so CCTV, Silverbird, NTA, AIT, all of them, Channels TV. Nobody can compete with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in terms of broadcast. You know your limit, you know your standard, you know your class, which is very, very important. It's important that you recognize these things. DOS say what a media outlet, if what a page. Who are the DOS? How many are there? Whoever they are, they should please. Oko Emmanuel fanaka anyukwana. Because one anyu as I'm talking to you. Ye what a headway. Any movement say what a headway now. In fact, I bury the movement. And we are at the keg now. Now all the slippery. We need to be very, very careful. Let's go to Malaysia.